Since 2004, Indian Cars has been recognized as one of the few Jeep specialists outside the United States. Within our dedicated workshop, a team of master, craftsmen, and Willys specialists is devoted to preserving the legacy and automotive heritage of World War II. Today, we are extremely proud to unveil our latest achievement. A fully restored 1944 Willys MB, presented in its original factory shipping crate. A Jeep Reborn. Emerging from its crate more than 80 years after it first left the assembly line. Meticulously restored down to the finest detail. This vehicle is more than a machine. It is a mechanical work of art. A living piece of American history brought back to life by our team. For private inquiries, please contact us.